Are you getting a tax refund this year? Well, today we're going to talk about 5 ways you can put it to the best use. Hey everyone, Craig here, and I'm going to be talking today about what to do with that tax return. If you're getting a tax refund, well, let's put it to the best possible use and not wonder where it went, okay? So now before we dig into that, I do want to offer you my free financial freedom roadmap. If you haven't grabbed that yet, guys, it is a PDF document that is going to show you exactly how to break the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Step-by-step guide. Grab it. I will email it directly to you. My gift. Just click up here and snag that, or you can look in the description below, and it's right there too. All right, let's dig into some ways you can use your tax refund. Now, of course, if you're getting huge refunds year after year, then you're going to want to look at maybe changing your withholdings. So talk to a CPA to see if maybe you're holding too much out of your paycheck. Because instead of getting a big chunk of money every April, well, you could be keeping more of your check every month. And in a sense, that's a lot better, and that's going to help you with your debt payments. But of course, always talk to a tax professional before you make any changes. Now, if you know you're getting a chunk of money back this year, what can you do? What are some things you can do with it to put it to the best use? Well, number one, of course, is to pay off your debt. Use it toward your debt snowball, guys. So we're going to take that money and we're going to start snowballing it through. We want to pay off debt. That's what we're working on. If you have debt, then this is just a great chance for you to start making your way through and make some progress. Now, if you are debt-free, well, then the second step you're going to want to do is build up that rainy day fund. We want 3 to 6 months of living expenses put into a saving account, so that way, if life hits us, which it will, we are ready to go. So, debt-free, then let's go ahead and take that and put it in your rainy day fund. It's not glamorous. It's not necessarily the most fun thing you could do with a chunk of money, but it's going to give you that security that you need. All right. Number 3, what could you do? Well, let's turn that money into more money, right? So emergency fund is done. You're debt free. Well, what if we took that tax return and we invested it? So let's say you had $2,000 back from the IRS this year on your tax refund. What if you were to take that and stick it into a good Roth IRA, into some good mutual funds? Well, after 30 years, you're looking at over $39,000. So that's not too shabby in my opinion. It's a good way to take that money and turn it into more. If you don't have anything that's necessarily on the burner right now that you need it for, then stick it somewhere and let it grow and let it start earning you some money. All right. The 4th thing you could do is purchase that big ticket item that you've had your eye on. If you got some sinking funds, maybe you're saving up for a vacation or a new TV or whatever, piece of furniture. Well, go ahead and just take that refund and throw it at that. Of course, we want to be debt-free before doing this. We want our emergency fund in place before doing this. If you have those things done, then it's okay to use this as a little bit of fun money. Just go out and splurge. Do what you want to do with it. That's okay. That's what it's there for. But again, I would probably consider changing your withholdings if you get that every year. And finally, number 5, probably the best thing you could really do is invest in yourself. Take that money and do something that you want to do to better yourself, whether it's a class you've been wanting to take, whether it's a business you've been wanting to start, whether it's that gym that you've had your eye on, or if you've been frustrated with finances, maybe this is the perfect time to hire a financial coach, someone who's going to help you make those changes, take what you're doing with money and completely revolutionize it. Help you reach that place of financial freedom, help you pay off that debt faster, help you finally stick to that budget. So that is the best thing you could possibly do, is invest that money back in yourself. Now, of course, most of you know that I am a financial coach. So if you're looking for that type of help, be sure to reach out to me via email, info@craigdacey.com, or in the description below, you can sign up for a free 30-minute coaching session. We'll dig into what's going on and we'll see if coaching is the right fit for you. All right. What else can you think of? There's 5 ways that I would recommend using your tax return, but obviously there's lots of other ways. If you know of something I missed or you can think of a good way to use it, drop it in the comments box below. Or if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Guys, I love seeing you during these videos, so if you enjoy what we talked about today, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.